after looking at quite literally tens of thousands of investors' tax returns over the last 20 plus years, I can tell you that there's two asset categories that we absolutely have to be invested in, and that's going to be the stock market and real estate.
You know, I've been asked a lot of times by different investors, how do you structure a real estate deal? What's step one? What's step two? Real estate is ultimately helping people in their situation.
My biggest concern when I got into real estate 22 years ago as a high school teacher was that I wouldn't have the money. What's ironic about that is if you learn how to find good deals, the money is always there. And so one of the things we teach at Infinity Investing is first, what's a good deal? Second, how to find the good deals. And third, where to find the money that's already waiting for those good deals.
Being successful in real estate is about creating win-win deals. Let us show you how to take those steps.
Come and join us to learn how to invest in stocks and real estate.
Join us at one of our Infinity Investing workshops. They're absolutely free. We do them once a month on a Saturday. They're all day.
Join us for our free basic membership and join us at the Infinity Workshop. Glad to have you aboard.